Alright, what's going on YouTube? Adventure back with another video for y'all. It's gonna be a banger. I'm currently down in Atlanta and I'm gonna be going to the Rick Ross car show. So I'm about 15 minutes away at the hotel. This is gonna be a banger. I already know what's going on. I ain't been to a car show this big, and I came all the way from Jersey to Atlanta to see some cars. It's all gonna be worth it. I'm about to head over there now. I'm gonna get this drive going. I'll get back with y'all when I get there.
After three long hours finally on the land. Like this right here. You like that right here. Man, this shit crazy, yo. Every car you could think of out here. This shit is crazy. Everybody got a little bit of something out here. At the promised land. At the promised land. Look at this joint right here. This is crazy. This is crazy. I can't even tell you what this is. One car I probably couldn't tell you what it is. Camino. El Camino. Nice color. There go that Demon 170. I swear to God. Big Demon. Multicolor wrap on it. And go another Demon. Not the 170 though, but Demon. $300. $300, nice. Cut across real quick. Yeah, y'all, this type of McLaren. Big McLaren. Raptor. Excuse me. Yours. This lineup crazy. They all from the same company. Another Demon. Look at this joint. Got the real Batmobile. Some mics right there. My bike guys. YouTube, all the views that's going on, copyright. Hope y'all know what's going on. This is an approval day. This is a default day. Let me get a pass, YouTube. He got the ultimate. This is DJ money right here. He got a rig with all the cars you got lined on top of the rig. Look at that. Hellcat, Red Eye, Rolls Royce, Tesla truck, Panorama Porsche. No, that's a Benz. I'm sorry. AMG GT, TRX, Ferrari. That's DJ money right here. Hellcat Durango with the leg maker intake, the seat exhaust. Setting alarms off. Setting alarms off. Man, I cannot wait till the day I can have more than 5 cars. Bro. I would love to have more than 5 cars. I need something and everything so I can participate in car shows like this. Got my car in here. Not just walking around with the camera. I want to be in the car show. This is beautiful. It's beautiful. I'm gonna switch this camera around for y'all. Rubicon. Rose.
Waiting on the nigga. I got these pussy niggas hating on the nigga. Since they wanna talk, I went and bought another chain. 40 cars, I gotta put them in my mama's name. Helipad on my crib, my money out of here. Love my daughter to death, 10 carats in her ear. Heavy ammunition for you fuck boys. Heavy ammunition for you fuck boys. I'm getting paid, I put that on my daddy grave. Got 200 dropping in my Chevrolet. I'm the king of diamonds, my face is speaking they body. It's a
It's a beautiful whip.
You're making it hard for me to stay, to walk. I don't wanna play no more. All I can tell you is you got me big.
It's all kinds of toys out here. All kinds. I'm gonna go here where all the music at. I don't know if YouTube gonna flag me, and I hope they don't. Look at that. Look at the bow-legged hoe. Look at my next whip. I need that. That's camouflage. Oh yeah, that's that Minister Society right there. A little spiced up though. Monte Carlo. Got the Brimbos on the Monte Carlo. Look, all in the same fleet.
Your shit off the frame, but don't even try.
need no help, man. I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T.
Do you know what that means?
I-N-D-E-P-E-N-D-E-N-T.
Do you know what that means?
She got her own house.
Yeah.
She got her own car.
Yeah.
2 jobs. Work hard.
Sit down. Sit down. Sit down.
DJ, give me some. DJ, we in Rick Ross shit, nigga. Let's go, nigga. If you fuck with Boosie, two's up. If you fuck with a real one, two's up. I'm the realest nigga in this shit, nigga. No cap, nigga. That way. They say that I'm crazy. At some time.